Large, unoptimized images are one of the biggest reasons WordPress websites become slow and sluggish. When clients or guest authors upload raw 10 megabyte photos straight from their phone or stock sites, it consumes server disk space, increases bandwidth usage, and directly harms your Google search rankings. While traditional solutions require installing heavy standalone plugins or editing complex server php.ini files, Admin Optimizer handles file size and dimension limits cleanly inside a single lightweight suite. Let's walk through how to configure proactive upload limits to keep your site fast and lightweight. To get started, head over to Admin Optimizer in your WordPress sidebar and select the Content and Media section. Locate the Limit Image Upload File Size module and toggle the switch to turn it on. In the module settings, you have centralized control over both file size ceilings and physical pixel dimensions. Entering a 0 in any field will leave that specific restriction disabled. Having separate controls for file size and image dimensions gives you full flexibility to enforce upload standards without restricting your editorial workflow. In the Set Image Upload Size limit box, enter your maximum target weight in kilobytes. Keep in mind that 1 megabyte equals 1,000 kilobytes. While server defaults often allow 2 megabytes or more, restricting standard post images to around 200 to 500 kilobytes guarantees fast page loading while preserving sharp visual quality. Next, configure your maximum width and height boundaries in pixels. Unconstrained 4K or high-resolution photos waste server CPU memory during WordPress thumbnail generation. Setting a maximum width, such as 800 pixels, ensures images perfectly fit your content container while preventing browser layout shifts on mobile devices. Click Save Changes to lock in your configuration. These rules instantly apply across your site without requiring server reboots or additional code. Now, whenever anyone attempts to upload an image that breaks your criteria, such as a graphic exceeding your 800 pixel limit, WordPress immediately blocks the file and displays a clear error notification. And just like that, your media library is completely safeguarded. By catching oversized files right at the front door, you protect your server storage, preserve bandwidth, and keep page load times fast without any ongoing manual cleanup. Combined with the rest of Admin Optimizer's performance tools, your WordPress site stays lean, responsive, and effortless to maintain.